so nervous. Look at how fast I tapped my head for the okay. Now everybody was chaotic that day. Look at the Checkdive. Now I want to pause here. We were sick 2 days before. We're rearing 7mm when we should be in 3 or 5s, and we're diving. And all we're seeing are rocks and maybe 1 or 2 fish. It appeared that the Red Sea marine life took a holiday. But we kept on going. And to make matters worse, visibility sucked. Look at this photographer here. He's looking for something to snap. Just anything. This guy was the most interesting thing that we saw. We hope you can enjoy some of these pics that we took. That's all we have for this dive. Thank you. We hope to see you for the next dive.